Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a onion ring mukbang. Now, I have got an addiction to onion rings. I haven't had them in such a long time, but I love them. They're so amazing, and everywhere, it depends where you go, what kind of onion rings you get. I love battered onion rings, which is what we've got today. And they just smell so amazing. I can't wait to get tucked in. So to drink, I have got my Fiji water. I'm so thirsty. And we're just going to get tucked in. I always say that, I have some mayo and some ketchup there too. And it just, I'm just so excited to eat this. It looks so amazing. There's so many here. But first of all, I just wanted to address some absolute drama that I've had this morning. Basically, my cornbread and... Oh, let me just have one of these first. So, that's the onion ring. Sorry, my lamp just turned off there. Don't know why it's doing that. Look how amazing are these. They're so crispy. They've just come out of the oven. What? Sorry. So every time I have a bite, it turns off. How weird is that? So there we go, guys. It's so crispy and it's just come out of the oven. So flavourful. I absolutely love onion rings. So anyway, what was the name? I think I know why it was turning off. The adapter wasn't strong enough. You know, the power in the adapter. It was only a small one. So anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I have had a drama with my video. My cornbread and... the cornbread and pulled pork one. I've deleted it. I am beyond gutted. I can't even believe that I've done that. I can't believe it. I don't know why or how I've done it. I can't recover it. If any of you have got the video downloaded on your computer, which I don't think many of you will, I just need it back because I really want to re-upload it and I haven't got a backup, which is stupid of me. I should have done. So I'm really, really, really annoyed with that. I can't believe it, to be honest. Look at that epicness. These onion rings are insane. Who else has mayo with onion rings? Oh, this is so... I'm just in utter shock. Oh dear, I don't know how. Have any of you ever done that before? I'm in love with these onion rings. They're so strong, you know, like when they've got like a good kind of onion taste. It's so frustrating because you put so much time and effort into a video. Like, I've had this video up about 2 days and I'm so invested in YouTube because I really want to make it, you know, I want to do well. And when you are the person who's actually pressed delete on the video, what I was doing, I'm premiering a video, which will already be out when this is out. And I premiered it wrong. So I think I deleted the last video that I did instead of the one that I've premiered, that I was trying to premiere. I'm really just annoyed with that. What can you do? Anyway. Just means I have to make more mukbangs. Oh, so annoying. I I love these onion rings. Now, in the store, they had the breaded ones and the normal ones. The battered all the way. Oh, my battery's low. So how is everyone doing today? The weather's very bleh. The weather is very gloomy here. It's not very good. I know I keep saying this all the time, but your support is just the world to me. Thank you so much. I just love your support. You really do mean a lot to me, everyone. Each and every one of you. Even the negative comments, keep them coming. I really don't care. You know, it gives me publicity, if you want to call it that. But yeah. Oh, these are so good. Onion ring epicness. Look at this. Oh, should I do a double? That was an epic bite. So, what was I saying? Yeah, your support is the world to me. I really, really enjoy this journey with you. I love making videos. I'm getting more and more kind of excited. So, I'm actually I'm going away this Wednesday. So I need to literally cram as many videos as I can because I'm going away. I might vlog it, actually. I'm going to go to Brighton with my boyfriend. We're going away for a few nights. And we're staying at the Mayo Hotel. So nice in there. So, how is everyone been doing in the mukbang community? I know there's been a lot of controversy with B-Loves and Q, and I can't believe what's happening. I don't really want to comment because it gets me in trouble. But I find Q very, very strange. What she did and what she said about B-Loves, which was just so random. You know, if you've had a bad experience with someone, don't I just leave it at the door and move on. This was, you know, you collabed 6 months ago. Now you're dragging it through the dirt now. It's ludicrous to me. I mean, keep it moving and just, you know, move on from it. Definitely a publicity stunt. I think B-Loves is just a YouTuber. I love her sister. She's amazing. Adrian slays. Adore her. I just think, you know, if you've got some beef with someone, just do it privately. Whether you like the person or not. There's just no point making a drama because 9 times out of 10 it'll come back on you, so. And I was watching Nikocado Avocado's video. Apparently she kind of stole all of his tags and blocked him and blocked his boyfriend and his friends, and sounds very weird to me. If I had the pleasure of doing a collab with someone and they weren't all this they seemed, I would at least be grateful that they put me on the platform, on their platform, and, you know, they've given me that opportunity, whether they were nice or not. They've still put me out there, so you have to show some gratitude, I think. You have to be grateful for what they've done for you. If it was a bad experience, and maybe, yeah, they might have had a bad day, or, you know, they might have been going through something. But I think to publicly drag someone through the dirt on YouTube, it's just silly and petty, and it's done nothing but make her look bad. So I don't understand the point of that, to be honest. I'm getting really full now. Ooh. You know, I saw the video of B Loves crying, and it wasn't nice to see. I know. You know, she's just doing her job. She's done so well. They've both done so well, and I think there's no point bashing another person. This mukbang community should all unite and love each other. That's what I think. Oh, I think I'm getting really full now, guys. How many have I had? Can you count? I dare you to count. Well, obviously, you won't be doing that because I'm saying this at the end of the video, but if you go back through the video and count how many onion rings I've had, that might be quite funny. And then let me know in the comments. I can't do any more, I don't think. Oh, I'm going to do a couple more and then I'm done because I'm literally so stuffed. I feel slightly sick because they're very oily. But I've cooked them really well. I normally burn things. Right, this is the last one, guys. Look at this beauty. Mmm. Mmm. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the love. You're all amazing, every single one of you. Please be tuned for more mukbangs and videos. I've got so much more coming up your way. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.